Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to set up a Shopify store with AliExpress. First, you'll want to create your Shopify account and select a subscription plan that fits your needs, perhaps starting with a basic option. Next, choose a memorable store name and register your domain to establish your brand identity. Finally, complete crucial store settings, including your preferred currency and important legal pages, ensuring a professional foundation for your new online business. Now, let's integrate AliExpress. Head over to the Shopify App Store and install a reliable dropshipping app, such as DServes. Once installed, connect your AliExpress account to this app. You can then begin searching for trending products on AliExpress, always prioritizing items with high ratings and trustworthy suppliers. With your chosen products, import them directly into your Shopify store, ready for customers to browse and purchase. With products imported, it's time to make your store shine. Customize your Shopify theme, selecting colors and branding elements that reflect your unique style. Next, set competitive product prices, aiming for a healthy profit margin, perhaps 20 to 30%. Configure your shipping rates and integrate secure payment gateways to ensure a smooth checkout experience for your customers. Don't forget to craft engaging product descriptions and use high-quality images. Finally, let's talk about getting sales and fulfilling orders. Promote your store using social media platforms and targeted advertisements to reach your ideal audience. When an order comes in, process it efficiently through your dropshipping app, typically within 1 to 2 days. Continuously monitor your sales data and customer feedback to optimize your product offerings and marketing strategies. Providing excellent customer service is key to building a loyal customer base and ensuring long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.